All right, welcome to 4611 Bernard Drive, Manvel, Texas, located in the beautiful subdivision of Meridiana. If you haven't been out here, you're missing it. The amenities in this place are crazy. Several amenity centers, several pools, some with a wave pool, with a lazy river, 2 gyms. It's an incredible place. You're gonna have to come out here. But anyway, this home is for sale. It's only a couple years old, and it's let's see, 3894 square feet, and the lot size is around 9,600, so it's a big lot. But this is a Shea Home. It's a 1-story, believe it or not. It looks like a 2-story from the front, but it has kind of a bonus room, media room upstairs. All the bedrooms are downstairs. All the living areas, spaces are downstairs. It's got a 3-car tandem garage with epoxy floor. Brand new homes are incredible. I love brand new homes. This one is better than a brand new home. I thought I'd never say that. Because once you buy a brand new home, you're going to end up doing all this stuff that they've done to this home to make it your home. So they've got incredible amount of upgrades, starting with the roller shades, automatic push a button with the roller shades. Of course, the epoxy floor, and every bedroom or a bedroom closet has complete built-ins. Everything you need is already there. So we're going to take a tour of this, and of course, this is James Potenza, your Houston Realtor. I've got this thing for sale. Right now, it's listed at $674 for a almost 3,900 square foot home in Meridiana. And of course, you got to check that pool out. All right, let's go take a look at this beautiful home in Meridiana, 4611 Bernard. Yeah, I'm just going to take you right to the good stuff. I'm going to show you this amazing backyard that they had built. The covered patio is crazy. It's got a fireplace out here and everything. I'm looking at it now, but you want to see it too. Let me spin you around. Oh, yeah, baby. There we go. Huge sliding glass door. You can open it all the way or all the way to there on a nice day like in October. Open the front door or a window, and you just got this incredible breeze going through here. Yeah, and we'll just take you right out to the good stuff. Look at this. AstroTurf, so you never have to mow. Good for the kids to play in. They don't get bugs on them and all that kind of stuff. Perfect plunge pool. That's all you need. Cool off. It's deeper than it looks. But just look at this. Fireplace, TV. You're set up. All right, I'm going to pause you and we're just going to start back at the front. I just had to show you that. All right, 4611 Bernard, Meridiana Manvel, Texas. And I told you, it looks like a 2-story, but it's a big 1-story. Yeah, I know that guy. But let me give you a street view, as always. Cul-de-sac. Super quiet out here. And also you'll see in the back, no immediate back neighbors. I think there's a green space here. Love this courtyard. Super cool. It's got good drainage. Gutters go right into the drain. Let's go inside. Yeah. Luxury living. Meridiana. And I'll probably say this several times in this video. This is better than new. As much as I love new construction, it's practically new. But they put all that money into it, so you don't have to. And I'll show you all the upgrades. This might be a long video. I want to make it as detailed as possible. I love this house. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, we'll do a detailed thing out here. This is ready for your flat screen. It's got all the hookups for surround sound speakers up there. It's an electric fireplace. Remote. I don't know if you've seen one of these yet, but you can change the colors. So the stairs go up there, and the media room, game room, whatever you want is all up there. So let's just walk around. Dining room. Of course, the front area. They redid this. Oh my gosh. You should have seen it with the furniture they had in here. It's considered an office, but they had it as a reading room. And all these light switches have a dimmer. Pretty cool, huh? Let's go right to your suite. Sweet. You got your own thermostat in here. You can control this. I don't know if it controls this room or just this half of the house. So you could have it freezing cold in here at night if you like it that way. And it won't affect the rest of the house. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Got these shutters, or not shutters, but blinds. They will go up and down. They're not electric, but I'll show you the ones that are electric. Yeah, it's just like you're taking the tour with me. I love doing this, acting like it's kind of, it is a virtual tour. You're virtually here. Got his and hers. Got a shower with a step, soap place, rain head shower head. And remember I talked about the built-ins? Oh my gosh. How many times is he going to say that? Check this out. You don't get this with a new home. You would have to add all this stuff. Look, you can get a sitting area with a place for your plug. You can make that a vanity, I guess. I don't know. I'm not a vanity person, but put a mirror there and do whatever you got to do. Did I just say vanity? My wife probably told me that. All right. Yeah, so it's got its own thermostat. Shut yourself off and have your own air conditioning. There's that room. So all the bedrooms are over here. They might have had those built in. Plenty of storage. Let's just walk to the front. There's the courtyard. More built-ins. So this bedroom, I think all these bedrooms have their own bathroom. The ones over there might share a bathroom, but this one up front has its own full bath. Check out the built-ins. Ready for a computer, TV. You can strap your kid down to make sure that they do their homework there. Light switches are there. Again, it's on a dimmer. There's the beautiful front plantation shutters, closet. And this one comes with a Murphy bed. I should have told you. But hey, wait a minute. It doesn't open. You're set. Put a mattress. Told you guys. You get a brand new home, and don't get me wrong, I love brand new homes. This one's like brand new, but it's got all the stuff already done to it, and it's cheaper than a brand new home. A home this size right now in Meridiana, built by Shea Homes, it'll cost you. Got those lights in here and they all dim. Guess what? More built-ins. Talk about a custom home. Nice. You don't even need a dresser. It's right there. Yeah, this bathroom is shared. One sink. Here's where they do the thinking and the shower. Soap holders, shampoo holders. And here's the other bedroom. Pretty cool. And guess what? This closet has built-ins also. Yeah, I'm telling you, I love new homes. And this one's almost like new. And I know I'm going to probably say this over and over again, but it's got all the stuff that you wouldn't have to pay for, or that you would have to pay for if you buy a brand new home, and it's cheaper. Plus, it's got a pool. Let me spin you back around. So we're back towards the kitchen. Here's a huge laundry room. So you got a sink in here, washer, dryer, electric or gas for the dryer. Put your extra refrigerator right here. Perfect. We can show you where we're at. Don't want you to get confused. Okay. There's the. All right. So here's your truly walk-in pantry. You can organize everything in there. Right off the kitchen. That's your man cave, media room, whatever you want to call it. Here's the guest bathroom. Perfect. And this could be a man cave too. This is the garage. Oh, forgot to turn the light on. There we go. Beautiful epoxy floors. Storage hangers. Yeah, they were really smart by putting those in. Super, super space savers. Good for Christmas stuff, whatever. Get it out of the house. Sprinkler system, of course. Electrical box. And guess what? More built-ins. I mean, what guy wouldn't want to be able to store their stuff tucked away, nice and neat? You even got a place for, it's kind of a workbench. Put all your tools in there. Depends on what you want to do with this part. If you really are a garage guy, like I am, put like a 14 to 18 foot workbench right there with some cabinets hanging down. This could be your workshop right here. Nice. These guys thought of everything. They are super, super organized people. I love them. All right. Yep. I'm not even going to edit this video. I've seen those videos where they have all this pretty music in the background. Comes with a kid-sized drum kit. This place is massive. Bonus, got a bathroom, so you don't have to go downstairs. Isn't that cool? I'll show you this again. Set up for your 85-inch, or you can put a projector, but all your sound is wired up, ready to go. All right, I'm gonna pause you and we'll talk more about it. James, you forgot to show us the backyard. I was wondering if I was gonna get caught on that. All right, let's video on. The selling point of the house is like, oh, we're done. No, we're not. Gas fire log. Just turn it on. Get the game on out here. Oh yeah, I got to show you the shutters, the automatic or electric shutters. God, this backyard is so neat and clean. Gutters all the way around. Yeah, so no immediate back neighbors. They're way out there. They can't see you. I mean, you could have a two-story sitting right there and they'd be able to see right in here. Not at this place. This lot is premium. Ooh, I should have brought my swimsuit. There's that guy. I heard him. He sells all these houses out here. I should probably give him a call. Look how neat this is. All your full equipment, air conditioners. Jump right in. Okay, one last thing and then we'll think we're done. Yeah, these. Yeah, it's a summertime, so you don't want to open those up right now. But like I said, in the fall or the spring, you just open all those up till it comes with a remote. Check that out. Give me a thumbs up on that. All right, let me pause you. Yeah, almost 3,900 square foot Shea Home, one-story bonus room, 90, what did I say, 98, 90 something square foot lot. Beautiful plunge pool. Everything's been updated, upgraded. Brand new homes are nice. This is almost brand new. At this price, you cannot get all this stuff. So I probably will have a QR code on how to get more information, and of course contact me if you want to see this home in person, and let's see if we can get you in this place. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.